If you want to change your X, formerly Twitter, handle, you can do it in just a few minutes right inside your account settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can update your username safely and make sure everything still works after the change. This is super helpful if you want a cleaner name, a more brandable handle, or just something easier for people to remember. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. All right, let's get into it. First, log in to your X account. Once you're signed in, look for the More option on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on More to open up the additional menu settings. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account controls, including your personal information, security, and account preferences. Next, click on Your Account. On this page, you'll see several options related to your X account management. Select Account Information. Depending on your account settings, X may ask you to enter your password again to confirm it's really you. If that happens, just type in your password and continue. This extra step helps protect your account before making important changes. Once you're inside account information, look for the username option and click it. This is where you can change your current X handle. Now enter your new username or handle in the text field. Keep in mind that your handle has to be unique, so if the one you want is already taken, X will let you know and you'll need to try another version. A good tip is to keep it short, easy to spell, and closely connected to your name or brand. After typing in your new handle, check to make sure it's available. If it is, go ahead and click Save. That's the final step. X will update your username, and your profile will now show your new @username. One important thing to remember is that changing your handle does not delete your posts, your followers, or your account history. Everything stays the same, so you don't have to worry about losing your content. The only thing that changes is your username, which means your profile link and the way people tag you will also update. After you save the new handle, it's a good idea to quickly review your profile and make sure everything looks correct. If you use your X account for business, branding, or content creation, you may also want to update your username on other platforms, like your website, YouTube bio, link in bio page, or email signature, so your audience can still find you easily. And that's it. You've now changed your X handle successfully. If this video made the process easier, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.